up, guys? We're about to go up this really muddy trail. Let's jump in. I immediately dropped my bike after saying that. No, let's hit this little mud hole. Or no? Nah, I'm only one-handed. That's pretty nasty, as you can tell. Do not fall over. That's pretty nasty back there. I went through that and I freaking sprayed mud everywhere. And yes, I did get my dirt bike stuck. By the way, if any of y'all want to buy my 70, feel free. I think it's gonna be about $1,700. And all my friends who are gonna watch this video, y'all can back me up. I've treated that bike really well, right? Y'all can back me up. I've treated that bike super well. So yeah, just let me know in the comments if you want it. So I'm selling it. So I got this 110. Whew. This mud isn't really that bad. To be honest, like, it's not really that bad. Let's get to the big dog. Alright, we've made it to the big dog. Doesn't look bad, but trust, it is pretty bad, dude. Alright, let's do this. We're in first gear. Okay. Right here. Let me know in the comments if you like the first person action. Here, I'm gonna do a whole shot real quick. I'll get you right into. Alrighty, we're ready. 3, 2, 1. Good boy. Pretty zippy. Let's turn around. Oh. I got a little tree. I'm trying not to tap the grass either. Gonna hit the mud hole. I don't know if that's a good camera angle or not. Here we go, guys. We made it. So we're built like that. Oh, vlog. Okay, everybody, that's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I love you all.